Hi, everybody. Welcome to Seattle, Washington. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski. Ray, just moments away from puck drop here on EA Sports. You can feel the energy here. What's going through these players' minds right now?
They just want to start. Enough of this sitting around and talking about the game, how important it is. Everybody can count. The series is tied. This is a big game.
Time to bring it on. Centers glide into position for the opening draw. Every game critical in the postseason. This one no different, and we are underway. Across the line from center. Here he is in front. Oh, he got a piece of it to keep it out.
That's not even a rebound anymore. It's like a cleared puck. Off the goalie and into the corner's a safe place.
Handles it along the blue line. Quick pass to Nichushkin. Receives the pass. Some solid defensive work in their own end with the poke check. Gets a piece of it with the glove. Poked away at center by Nichushkin. Bjorkstrand's got it along the wing. And the puck dies with the trapper save. Carries it in. And it takes a shot. Oh, what a great save. They score. It's in. He gets a hold of his own rebound and makes it count the second time.
That's a good play. It's a goal scorer's play. You shoot the puck and follow your shot. He gets a little lucky that it comes right back to him, but he makes no mistake.
He stick-handled his way into that scoring chance, guys. That's his puck-on-a-string superstar ability, and that dangle was the key to getting them on the board there.
Puck picked up by Dunn. Great use of the stick in the defensive end by Comfort. Over the line they come. Sends it across. The Avs look around near the point. How did that stay out? It just misses.
Great work to get themselves into position to shoot it. You got to get it on the net. Man, it misses the net. It's not even a real chance.
Reads it perfectly and comes up with the takeaway. The Avalanche have gained possession. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. Taken along the wall by Larson. Taken by Comfort. Colorado's on the attack. Picked up along the boards by Rodriguez. Takes a hit on the play. Donskoy's got it in the defensive end. Seattle's moving it up the ice. And that's poked away by Girard. Gains the zone from the right side. Here's a shot. And he comes up with it. Oh, they do it again. Picked up along the wall by Tanev. Gaining momentum along the boards. And now it's grabbed by Donskoy. Oh, what a stop on the play. Gets all of it with the paddle.
Good save. Positional save through traffic.
Colorado's across the blue line. Takes a shot. Nice pad save. The Kraken have gained possession off the wall. Quick pass across to Tanev. From the left side, they enter the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Bjorkstrand. Back at the point, they set it up. Puck scooped up by Wenberg. Less than a minute to go here in the opening frame. Moves it over to Wenberg. The Avalanche have the puck in their own end. Maintains possession. Takes a shot. Great save by Grubauer. There's the horn concluding the first 20 minutes. See a few fans already jumping the gun there, trying to beat some of the lineups in the concessions and the washrooms. The Avs skating off with a 1-0 lead after 20. As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause. Both teams back on the ice after the first intermission. Ray Ferraro, James Cybulski ready to bring in the call for period number 2. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. And he makes the save. Grabbed along the boards by Gourde. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Here's a short pass to Taves. And now he tries to get it across to Rantanen. Puts it on net. Pad save. He's on it tonight. Seattle's in now. And that's knocked away. And that's blocked away. Moves it to McKinnon. Cutting to the slot. Scores! Nathan McKinnon!
He kept moving in that high slot, looking for an area that might be open. Then the puck's on and off his stick. Nice shot.
Guys, that was a great example of how he was able to use his superstar ability on that play to help him score a goal.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. Dunn's got it into offensive territory. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Quick feed to Taves. Moves the puck from off the bank pass. A shot. Oh, and it stays out. He got a piece of that one.
I like the way that he stops his puck, James. Not only does he get in front of it, but he puts it out of harm's way.
Takes a shot. That's blocked away. And things starting to ramp up a little bit now on the ice with that play. Came up with the save on that play. Sends a pass over. Odd man rush. Here's a shot. Glove save. Somehow got a piece of it. The Avalanche have the puck against the boards. Lets it go. Turns it aside with the glove. Gerard's lugging the puck. Streaking through center, they go on the attack. Oh, gets a little piece of it and keeps it out of the net. There's the whistle as the puck stopper elects to hang on.
We're going to back this up again and get another look at this stop the goalie makes. He makes a solid save on a really dangerous chance.
Past the midway mark in this period, the Avs are currently sitting in the driver's seat leading 2-0. McCann's won it in their own end. Great heads-up play to poke it away at the offensive end. Nice zone entry from the left. There's another for the hit parade. Quick pass to Gerard. Moves the puck. The Kraken have it in their own zone. And now he moves it to Wenberg. Burakovsky's got it in the offensive zone. Oh, that goes off the bucket, and he keeps it out.
I don't think goalies pick up the puck sometimes and it hits them in the mask. Other times I think they're feeling, hey, I'm in position here, I'm well protected. They just stop it with their face. That's one of those cases.
The Kraken have possession along the boards. Huge hit on the play. Puck dumped in. Colorado's got the puck. Moves it quickly over to Byram. Lets it rip. He scores!
I thought they were going to run out of time here, James. This is a terrific time to strike here. Now you carry over the intermission. You come out for the next period feeling really good about yourself. Wow, did he hammer that? Too much power for the goalie to control it. It hits him and still goes in.
The Avalanche have added a big-time goal to extend the lead to 3 now.
Well, now the game's starting to get close to running away from everybody here. It's a big lead, a dominant performance so far.
Well, the ice has sure looked tilted after 40 minutes of play as the second period comes to an end. Big third period still to come. We'll get ready for it. Hope you'll join us. James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro ready to bring you all the action. Period number 3 is set to get underway. 20 minutes to go here in regulation in what has been a very one-sided affair. Ray Ferraro is between the benches at ice level. Ray, we've got 40 minutes played so far. How have you viewed things?
Seattle's been a step slow almost all game. They haven't had the puck very much. They're losing. If that's going to change, they've got to get the puck and hold on to it much more.
Boards won the faceoff. Scooped up along the wall by Larson. Slides the puck across to Dunn. Great defensive play at center by Nichushkin.
The Avs have been the better team all night long, and their positioning has been exceptional. They keep taking the puck away.
Bjorkstrand stick handling in his own zone. From center, they get into the attacking area. Here's a short pass to Larson. Sends the pass over. Denies him with the pad.
Gorgiev's not had to do that very much. That's face a shot. He's got a big lead, and there's been no traffic around him all night.
Colorado's got the puck against the half wall. Lets it fly! Off target!
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Great feed from the left side. Can't get it to go. Lets it go! Great save by Georgiev. Colorado's moving the puck through center ice. Fires one on goal. Denied by Grubauer. The Avs are on the attack. And puts the body into it, a little bumper car hockey. Moves it to Rantanen. And that's picked off. Along the right side into the offensive zone. Quick feed down low. Moves the puck up to Lehkonen. And no luck on that pass attempt. Passes on over to Dunn. Nice pass.
Colorado's defense has been exceptional. They've defended well, kept the front of the net clean, and whenever there's a rebound, they get it out of there fast.
And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. Colorado's on easy street right now. They lead at 3-0. Rodriguez wins it in the offensive zone. Taken along the wall by Comfer. Seattle's got the puck along the boards. Gets it over to Burakovsky. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. And he makes the save on that play. Down the right side and into the zone. Here he is from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one. From the point, they take control of it. That pass doesn't go. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Errant pass, and they can't connect. Donskoy's got it along the boards. Quick feed to Wenberg. Turned aside with the glove by Georgiev.
You know when you're looking for a buddy in a crowded train station? Well, now you got to find a little puck through the bodies there. Good luck to you. Found it.
Seattle's got control of it now from their own end. Passes it to Schultz. Can't find his man. And that's stopped by Grubauer. And less than a minute to go finally in this one. Here's a shot. Glove save. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. Steps across the blue line. A chance in front, and they can't connect. Donskoy's moving the puck through his own zone. A chance, and makes the save. Johnson's got the puck in his own zone. Trying to engage a little physicality here. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Quick pass to Schwartz. Takes the pass. Too many bodies in the way. Great pressure to force the turnover. That's gloved by Georgiev. And we are all over with this one. Ray, you look why they're up in this series right now. Just look in the crease.
You don't win many playoff series if your goaltender isn't the better goaltender. He's been excellent. He throws a shutout on the board here tonight.
Great playoff action tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. We'll talk to you next time where the fun will continue.